What's up, everybody? Welcome to the last day of the week. It's Friday, but I only got one trade today, and it was a really good one. Actually, it's kind of like three trades. It's kind of like three trades in one trade, but in the end, it worked out really nicely. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you check out all the links down in the description below. We got discounts on TraderSync, on Intensity Stock Watch, on Interactive Brokers if you're looking to sign up for a broker. So all kinds of great things down there, but let's get into the trades today. I'm watching AXTI here, see if it pushes up closer to 4. You can get up into the 380s at least. Here comes 380. Is it going to get through 380? Watching it here. AXTI. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, I'm going to jump in some AXTI. I'm in here at 388. 300 shares. See what it does. I believe this one is on earnings. If we're under 370 for the first 100 shares here, they can make the move.
FOXF, AXTI, CVNA, FOXF, AXTI, CVNA.
Struggling to get 370. I'm going to take 100 here. Alright, now let's see if it can continue any.
NVDA.SMCI. AXTI. CVNA. W.
Alright, getting another shot here.
AXTI. FOXF.
Might add in 200 more if it makes a bigger move. Got up to 411 on that pop a second ago. See if it wants to go higher. Okay, watching it. Got to 415 there, didn't get through. I wait for 420 now. Alright, can you get 420s? Watching it. 420s. It hit 420, didn't get through.
AXTI. AAOI. AXTI.
Alright, gonna get through the 420s this time. Here we go. Gonna add in there. Now basically into a starter here with 400 at 404. And see what it wants to do from this point. It gets back down under 390. Probably look to take half. Alright, can AXTI come back down under 4 here?
CVNA, BTYX, GCT, HCAT.
Alright, can it break back down under 4? Watching it. It's under 4, but can it continue? Alright, I'm going to take half off there. See if we can get a little bit lower. Take another 100 off there. Down to 100 shares now. Alright, it's getting another pop again. See if it gets up into the 440s this time. Which is where I was looking for the next shot earlier. Gonna get into the 440s. Hit 435 there. Looking for 440s.
AXTI. CYH. CYH.
All right, here we go. Can I get into the 440s?
CYH.
Push 450. All right, I'm going to dump in some more here. So now I'm back up to 400 shares at 434. See if it wants to run through the 450s here. All right, still going. Looking for more. All right, going to add in some more there. Now I have 800 at 458. In 800 shares at 458. See if it starts pulling back here. If it gets back down under 450. All right, gonna get under 450. It's trying. Not able to get under it there yet. All right, gonna take 600 off there. Down to 300, or yep, 300 now. Take another 100 there, down to 200. See if you can keep coming. Got another 100 there, down to 100. Looking good. And boom, gonna take the whole thing right there. And just like that, AXTI giving us the dollars. All right, so there you have it. Ending the week really strong there in AXTI with that $200 winner. Maybe could have let that, once it broke 450, let those initial shares go a little bit further and made a little bit more there. But hey, hindsight is easy. So I'll be very more than happy to take $200 on the day. Had a really good week overall. February is going very well. Hopefully can end it strong next week for the last week of trading in February. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.